Dear colleagues, welcome to the first video of this educational series by Global Business Research, titled The Digital Roadmap. I am Dr. Gunter Beitinger, Senior Vice President of Manufacturing and Head of Factory Digitalization at Siemens AG. On behalf of my friends at Global Business Research, GBR, I would like to thank you for joining us on this pre-recorded webinar. In this session, I will go through our approach, how we are going to digitalize our Siemens factories with focus on efficiency and scalability. Some internal use cases will also demonstrate what we are focusing on so far. If you have any questions, there will be contact details at the end where you can send them indirectly to me. Now, let's begin.